bring it down and together. Let's do it 2 more times. Forward. And lift that foot. And together.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time.
And
this
here.
is only a test.
Tiny
no
step.
action is required by the public.
Back here. Just shift your weight. Tear your feet wide apart. We're going to squat down. And up, open. Good work. All right, are you ready to stretch?
I'm ready.
That was fun. I hope you enjoyed that. I love fun music. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm going to get my feet wide apart to begin with. I think we look like penguins. Turn your feet out. Toes out. Okay, now it's shift the weight. Shift the weight and lift your toes. All right. One more shift to this side and then to this side. Now, feet are forward. I'm going to do a inner thigh stretch first. Looks like this. Weight shifted over your bent knee. You're feeling it in your straight leg. Now come up and swivel that foot so that you can get a hamstring stretch now. And then come up. Now just shift again. Okay, now we're going to start by lifting this foot. I'm sorry, the foot should be straight ahead. There you go, Gretchen. And now, bend the knee.